You have seen me studying in a lot of other videos, but now it's the time for holidays. And holidays are meant for enjoying, relaxing, and having fun. But today, let's spend a productive holiday without any books. Wondering how? Well, let's see about that. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Today, I want to take a moment to speak about the situation in Palestine. The people there are witnessing immense suffering, but they also show incredible resilience and hope. Their struggles are reminding us of the shared humanity and the deep connections which unite us all together, regardless of our nationality. So I ask you all to join me in prayer for Palestine. Let's pray for peace, justice, and relief for all those affected by ongoing conflict. Let us remember the innocents who were caught in the crossfire, their families who have lost their loved ones, and the children who deserve a better future filled with hope and opportunities. Let us also pray for wisdom and compassion in the hearts of leaders so that they may find a path for a just and lasting peace. And let us pray for a swift end to the violence and suffering so that healing can begin and communities can rebuild once again. Your prayers and support can make a real difference. Together, let's stand in solidarity with Palestine and contribute to a future where peace and humanity prevail. Thank you for your compassion and for joining me in this important cause. Coming back to the video, after completing my Fajr ki namaz, I started setting up the Quran ki cupboard. Yes, we call it Quran ki cupboard because we keep all the Janimaz, Quran, Rihal, everything in this. And after this, I took a nap for about 2 hours. Actually, I thought of sleeping for 2 hours, but it extended for a longer time. After waking up, the first thing I did was obviously brushing my teeth, okay? Then I selected the outfit of the day, and as it is a holiday, let's do some hair care. So we had khatta dahi at home in the fridge, so I thought of putting it to my hair, just simple khatta dahi. So I mixed it and applied it evenly to my whole hair, and then I had my breakfast, which was chila, and this is paneer butter masala which my sister made last night. It was actually so good. Hello everyone, welcome to a productive holiday in my life. As you can see, this is the messiest table that you've ever seen. This is my sister's table, and that is the messiest in 200.
आते नहीं है तो अभी छोड़ दो जब क्या हुआ
मेरे को बात करने दियो, बीच में इंटरप्ट ना को करो.
Okay.
So I called my sister and we are trying to clean the tables. Saara,
And make a room makeover.
yes.
Make a room makeover.
Yeah.
Make a room makeover. Make a room makeover.
Guys, here I'm making one face mask. It's inside. If you want, let me show it. I'll show it later when it is fully mixed. Now it will look so weird. So yeah, मैं एक बार भी ग्राइंडर ऑन खरीमनी आज करती हूँ कि नहीं की भी माल नहीं. मम्मा को बजड़ाते मुझे करीम तो. सो अम्मी आ गए.
हट्टी तू.
देखो गाइस बजड़ाते हैं. मेरी दीदी फर्स्ट टाइम काम करते हैं. प्रोडक्टिव डे इन माय लाइफ.
Hey, are you taking? Thank you. First time my sister is supporting me.
जरा अच्छा झाड़ दे.
तो वो भी झाड़ते हैं.
So guys, ये है आपकी.
Emotional damage.
So, holidays are all about spending time with family and having fun. But instead of staying lazy, if we do some work at home or if we do something or the other, it makes us feel energetic and keeps us in a happy mood. So after sweeping the house, I took some rest and started rearranging the cups and mementos of all three of us. We usually arrange our mementos on the top of any showcase or a shelf. Last night I washed them as they became so dirty, and today I rearranged them in their position. So in this cute little decor piece, I arranged the first prize of the first child in the first layer, the second prize of the second child in the second layer, and the third prize of the third child in the third layer. Lol.
मैं दिखती मैं दिखना गाइस, मैं दिखना, मेरे फैंस बहुत है.
After lunch, I relaxed for a while and started setting up my skincare. This day is mostly spent in organizing things because a productive day without studying means that doing things in time, doing other things productive. So I felt that organizing things at home, like organizing my study table, my wardrobe, etc., and doing some self-care and also doing all other things in time can complete my productive holiday. Do let me know some other productive things which we can do during holidays.
So it's evening time. Let's make some tea.
कितने स्पून आ रहा है इनकी?
So we're making इलायची वाला चाय. Continue करी मैम.
A few moments later.
कहीं को जुनैद से आवाज कर.
In the evening, me and my brother went out on a walk and bought eggs while coming. Time to clean up this table and set up my desk. Let's do this. As I told you, it was the day of organizing. I again sat and started organizing my wardrobe or cupboard, you can say. Here I've stored some of my dresses inside these covers and I'm writing some hints to find them easily. I also completed performing the other namazes of the day. I thought of ironing these. Let's see if I am able to do this now, or I just want to go to sleep. By this time it was getting too late to sleep. The only regret of this day was not sleeping early. Productivity means doing all the things in time, but I couldn't sleep in time. It was almost 12 by this time, and I was only left over to organize these handkerchiefs while a box in my whole cupboard. So I did that. I folded my handkerchiefs and organized it in my cupboard. After decades picking up the diary of 2024, I'm gonna write a few lines and go to bed. So ending this video right here, the productive day has ended. It was a very fun challenge. I hope you all liked it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. See you all in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye. So Asnat, this is guys.
स्क्रब करो अभी पेंट मारो.
Emotional damage.
So guys, like a good girl, I'm cleaning my cupboard.
Cupboard. She's cleaning her cupboard, guys.